Hello, dear viewers. In this episode, I'll show you some final finishing steps. These finishing steps include placing the locators in a few key positions, then exporting the data from Unreal, so the Rust client can read it. Alright, let's start by placing the locators. First, the black key. Let's see where it is now. It's still down below. The black key should be placed here. About right here. Now let's check the two white keys. One at the end, one at the beginning. The lowest white key goes here. This end one goes here. And the highest key. The highest white key goes over here. Alright, now let's switch to a different view. Let's adjust their heights. Select all four of them. I can't tell if they've reached the surface level. I need to switch the view. Not in place yet. Okay. They've reached the white key surface now. Now let's raise the black key a bit. That's about right. The four markers are in place. Next, we need to place the two markers for palm height. One for the normal state. One for playing wide intervals. Let's drag both of them up for now. I'll place them at the left-hand position for now. Let's do this. Let's copy the current position of the left palm. You can copy it directly here. Then find these two controls and just paste them in. Now they're both at the palm position. Now I'll move the wide interval palm position down just a little. Moving it here is fine. It doesn't need much change. Just this little bit is enough. Once that's set up, we'll save it. Just save it in whichever state. These key positions are all saved now. Now we need to export all of Kinech's data. Let's go back to the first panel. Then choose the export path. I'll put it together with the other characters files. There's an avatars directory under the asset directory. Adding Kinech. Add the suffix _Unreal to it. That way we know this is the Unreal version of the data. We've just selected the path for now. It hasn't been exported yet. Now scroll down to find the export button. Okay, it's been exported. Let's take a look at this file. Now we can see Kinech's file. It only has a few fields in it. One is the config field. That's the content we set up here. It gets written into the config field. Next are the finger positions under each state. The preceding field is the state. The following one indicates the finger. This is the finger recorder. This part is quite long. Next is the palm recorder. The position and rotation values of the palm and the 6 states. Further down is the orientation controller. Only the head control data. The mid-hand is not recorded, because it can be calculated from both hand positions. Only the head position is recorded here. At the very end are the key positions, the 6 key positions we just demonstrated. The black key, the highest Y key, both ends of the lowest Y key, 2 palm positions. All the information is right here. In case things get messed up in Unreal, you can always import the data back in here. To restore the data, now we need to take a photo of the character. A headshot. Let me hide the other characters first. We'll capture an image here. Once it's captured, let's edit it. Just crop it to 3 or 4. Of course, if you don't think it looks good, you can render one instead. Why take this photo? Because we'll need to register the character's photo later. Now let's open the KeyRipple Rust client. Alright, we've launched the KeyRipple Rust client. Let's add our new character to it. Click New here. Give it a name. Kinect Unreal. Because I have to Kinect characters here. The other one is the Blender version. Let's select the photo first. This image we just processed. Find it. Then the config file. Okay, save. Next time we want to use this character, we'll be able to find it in the drop-down menu. All of its settings are here. Alright, so at this point, the entire process of creating the piano puppet is now complete. Going forward, we'll do some testing to see how the puppet actually performs. That's all for this episode. Thank you for watching. See you next time.